A very good evening to all the CMA aspirants. So, Team BCCA is very excited to share with you a very special announcement. So, the special announcement is that we are conducting CMA Final DT online classes in 100% English. So, for all the non-Telugu fans of BCCA, it's a treat. So, I'm going to give you all the clarifications and information regarding this batch in this video. So, let's get started. So the first thing is that these classes will be streaming live on BCCA app. So this app can be accessed with your mobile phone, your laptop, your iOS devices, so whatsoever. Okay, so the details are this batch is exclusively for students who are writing your CMA final examinations in the month of June 2024 or December 2024. This is a regular batch covering all the concepts, and this batch will also cover all the recent amendments taken from the Finance Act 2023. And this batch is announcing a very convenient timing. So this is mostly useful for students who are pursuing articleship and wants to attend these classes, and for employees or homemakers or working in the morning hours and they are free in evening hours. Okay, so sir will be covering you all the syllabus, 100% syllabus, which is of 40% international taxation and 60% direct tax laws. So every concept will be covered in this class since it's a regular batch, and the batch will start from March 11th, 2024. It will end on May 11th, 2024. So the start date is March 11th. So note it down in your calendars, and end date is May 11th, 2024. The timings are very convenient, 6 o'clock p.m. in the evening to 9 o'clock p.m. in the night with a 15-minute break. And the total number of hours is nothing but 120 to 130 hours, which will be covering you all the study material problems, fast question papers, and the concepts. And I'm prior announcing you all the holidays that we will be taking. So every Sunday will be a holiday, and March 9th, Mahashivratri, April 9th, Ugadi, April 17th, Sri Ramanavami. These three special days will also be a holiday for this class, and every Sunday will be a holiday. So the details are March 11th, 2024, starting of the batch. May 11th is end of the batch, and the timings daily will be 6 o'clock p.m. in the evening to 9 o'clock p.m. in the night with a 15-minute break. Okay, so total hours are 120 to 130 hours. So, what are the benefits? So, before we get to the benefits, who is the faculty for this classes? Nothing but CA Bhaskar Maggam sir, who is so popular for his direct taxation classes. We will know about him later. So, the benefits of these classes are this class is exclusively for CMA students. This is not a combined class for CA and CMA. The books, the classes, the concept, everything is exclusively for CMA final students. Okay, and the registered student will get a soft copy of the books, and the books we will see later. And if the students are unable to attend few chapters, you can get your backup classes. If you are unable to attend few chapters or you have missed few days, you can get recorded backup classes for all that missed classes. Okay, the backup classes will be of a validity of 9 months with 1.5 views. And students will be provided with exam oriented classes for free. So those who purchase these online live classes, you will be getting a free access to the exam oriented classes of the CMA final direct taxation. And the last thing is, of course, you are hearing your subject, especially direct taxation. You will face your doubts. So for all that doubt clarification, we will be creating a separate WhatsApp group in which Bhaskar sir will also be there. He will clarify all your doubts. Okay. So about faculty, CA Bhaskar Maggam sir is a qualified CA who is a member of ICAI, and he teaches direct taxation for both CA as well as CMA students in inter-level as well as final level. He has a lot of practical exposure which makes him teach this complicated direct taxation subject in a very simplified manner. His books are also very simplified manner, quite popular in South India. Okay, so his handwritten notes have gained a lots and lots of tremendous popularity in the last few attempts of direct taxation, which were very helpful for students in the last few days before the examination. That handwritten notes will also be given for you. So It's a gift to you. And he has an experience of teaching around 8,500 students in a very short span of just 5 years in direct taxation classes. And also, his CMA final DT marathons and regular classes are quite popular. His marathons combined English as well as mixed language has around 100K views on YouTube, which is enormous. So he's quite popular for direct taxation classes. So that's all about CA Bhaskar Magam sir. We will get back to the details of the announcement class. Okay, so the fees for this batch, very important, money involved. So we have an early bird discount of rupees 2,000. So students who will enroll before 29th of February, that is 27th, 28th and 29th, will get a price of just rupees 8,000. And if the students register after 29th of February, your price will be rupees 10,000. So the early bird discount is 2,000 rupees. So 27, 28, 29, these are the time you have to get registered for a discount of rupees 2,000. So the price will be for these days 8,000 rupees, and after 29th February 10,000. So this is a very special class, 100% English, but we want the student friendly environment in our classes. So the seats are very limited. It's just 50 limited seats available. So get registered soon. Do not miss this amazing class. Okay. So the special offer, which I will explain you in detail, and you have to listen very carefully. So students who have already given your attempt in your direct taxation, be it group 3 or only both groups, but have failed in direct taxation, we are not caring about other subjects. So if you fail in direct taxation, if you show us your Aadhaar card and your mark sheet, your price will just be rupees 6,500. Okay, so this is a very special offer to the students. We want all the students to get qualified into a cost and management accountant. So those who have given your attempt for direct taxation has failed, and if you submit your Aadhaar card and your mark sheet, your price is just rupees 6,500. And also, so the students who have already enrolled for the old online live batch for CMA final DT 100% English classes, for them the amount is just a nominal amount. That amount you can find out by giving us a missed call, or you can just message us. We will give you the details regarding the nominal amount. And the students who are old students referrals will also get a price of just rupees 6,500. So those students who have already been registered for the old CMA final DT live batch for 100% English, those will get these classes for just the nominal amount, but these student referrals will get for a price of rupees 6,500. So old student referrals 6,500. So students have already given attempt in their direct taxation and failed. For them, you will also get for a price of 6,500, subject to we need your Aadhaar card and your mark sheet. And the old students will get for a nominal amount. So this is the special offer. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can contact us for the number which is given in the description box down below. Okay. So some more clarifications that I want to give you is that BCCA face-to-face class students who have attended the classes for from CMA Foundation to CMA Final, these classes are free for you. You can attend the live classes by just calling us. We will give you the details regarding the classes. And those students who have already purchased CMA Final direct taxation recorded classes in the BCCA app, no conversions for you. You have to purchase. If you want to attend these classes, you have to purchase it again. No conversions, okay? And no exchange or refund. Yes. So the next thing is the registration procedure, which is very simple. Call the admin department, for which we give the number. Call the admin department, find out the applicable fees, and they will give you a Google form. Pay the amount to the prescribed number. Fill the Google form. Upload the payment screenshot. That's all. You're registered. We will add you to the WhatsApp group. That's all. So the first thing is that you have to contact our admin department and find out the applicable fees. They will give you the details of for whom to make the payment and for which number, and all that details will be given. So make the payment, upload the screenshot, fill the Google form, and send the details to our admin department. They will add you to the WhatsApp group. That's all. Okay, so what is the contact number? It is, I will also write it on the top of the screen, 96185 60819. So contact this number for knowing your applicable fees, and they will send you the Google form and also the payment details. You have to make the payment and you have to fill the Google form with the payment screenshot, after which you will be added to the WhatsApp group. So I think I've given you enough clarity regarding the registration procedures. So before we end this session, I would like to show you the materials which sir will be using for this. So you will get us, so this is the workbook, and the workbook will cover all the study material problems and the past previous 10 question papers ka problems, and also the previous 10 MTPs ka problems. All these problems will be in this book, and each and every problem will be covered in your live batch. This is a regular batch, so all the questions will be covered. So this is how your workbook will look like. So the question also will be question and the solution will be given to you, segregated into all the chapters. And the next book that you will receive in the soft copy itself is the concept book, which will also cover all the concepts which are in the study material of ICMAI. So yeah, so this is how your concept book will look like. This is the basic concepts chapter, and then we have written off income. So this is the concept book. And the next book that you will receive as a soft copy is the famous Direct Taxation Bhaskar Sir's handwritten notes. So this is the handwritten notes for you, which we will also provide to you. And each and every chapter will be in detail, briefly explained to you in this handwritten notes. See the basic concepts from the Constitution of India, the Union list, state list, all the components, everything is explained in detail. This book is very useful for you before the examination for the last minute revision purpose. So all the three books will be given you in the soft copy. This, the workbook, number 2, the concept book, and the third one is the running notes, which will also be given in the soft copy. And the fourth book that you will receive in the first week of April is the MCQ book, which will also be, all the MCQs will be explained and discussed in the class. That book also will be sent you in the soft copy, but a little later, maybe during the April 1st week. So the books that you'll receive are once again workbook, concept book, and running notes. Immediately in the April month, you will receive the MCQ booklet. Okay. So I think I made myself clear in all the aspects. So the registration procedure, call the number, fill the Google form, make the payment, upload the screenshot, you will be added to the WhatsApp. Got it? So I'll just give you a quick recap of all the applicable fees as well. So the fees is early bird discount of rupees 2,000. So if you get registered on 27th or 28th or 29th February, your applicable fees is 8,000 rupees. And if you get registered after 29th, it's 10,000. And the special offer, students have already given the attempt and failed in direct taxation. If you submit your Aadhaar card and your mark sheet, your price is just rupees 6,500. And old student referrals, 6,500. And the students have already registered in the old English live classes, you will be getting these classes for just a nominal amount. That amount you can just contact us and you can find out. Okay. So who is the faculty? CA Bhaskar Maggam sir, and you will be provided with backup classes if you are unable to attend few classes. And also the EVO classes, another special offer, exam oriented classes are free for you if you registered for this online live batch. So what are the dates? March 11th, put your calendars on. March 11th is the start date and May 11th is the end date. Timing 6 o'clock PM to 9 o'clock PM. The total number of hours 120 to 130 date. So these are the holidays that we are telling you in prior. So that's all. So if you have any more doubts, you can just comment on this video or call the number. All the details, the app link, the BCCA app link, the Google form, the contact number and other details will be in the description box down below. If you have more doubts, what should you do? Comment on this video or you can contact us. So thank you so much.